How to buy your first Bitcoin. A step-by-step guide. Bitcoin has become a popular investment and a way to engage with the decentralized digital currency revolution. If you're new to the cryptocurrency world, buying your first Bitcoin might seem daunting. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you purchase Bitcoin safely and confidently. Step 1. Choose a Bitcoin wallet. Before you buy Bitcoin, you'll need a secure place to store it. A Bitcoin wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. Types of Bitcoin wallets: software wallets, mobile apps or desktop software, for example, Coinbase Wallet, Exodus, Electrum, that make it easy to store and manage your Bitcoin. Hardware wallets, physical devices, for example, Ledger Nano S, Trezor, that offer the highest level of security by storing your Bitcoin offline. Paper wallets, a printed document containing your Bitcoin public and private keys. These are harder to use, but highly secure if stored safely. Step 2. Pick a reliable exchange. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. These are platforms that allow you to trade fiat currency like USD, or etc. For Bitcoin, popular cryptocurrency exchanges: Coinbase, beginner-friendly, widely used, offers a simple user interface. Binance offers more advanced trading options and lower fees. Kraken, known for its security features and wide range of cryptocurrencies. Gemini, a highly regulated exchange with a strong emphasis on security. Tip: make sure to use a trusted exchange with strong security features. You'll also want to ensure the exchange is available in your country. Step 3. Create an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing personal information, name, email, phone number. Verification process. Most exchanges require identity verification, KYC, know your customer. You'll need to provide a government-issued ID passport, driver's license to comply with regulations. Tip: ensure your account has two-factor authentication to FA of hold for additional security. Step 4. Deposit funds. After setting up your account, you'll need to deposit fiat currency, for example, USD, or into your exchange account to buy Bitcoin. Common payment methods: bank transfer. This method may take a few days, but typically has lower fees. Credit, debit card. Instant, but may come with higher fees. PayPal. Some exchanges support PayPal for quick transactions. Step 5. Buy Bitcoin. Once your funds are deposited, you're ready to buy your first Bitcoin. Steps to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the buy, sell section. This is where you will place your order. Choose Bitcoin BTC. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount. Decide how much Bitcoin you want to buy. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can purchase fractions, for example, 0.001 BTC. Place your order. There are two types of orders. Market order. Buy Bitcoin at the current market price. Limit order. Set a specific price at which you want to buy Bitcoin, and the order will only execute when the market reaches that price. Step 6. Move Bitcoin to your wallet. After purchasing, it's recommended to transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to your private wallet for increased security, especially if you bought a large amount. How to transfer Bitcoin. Open your wallet. Get your wallet's public address, a string of letters and numbers. Go to Withdraw section on the exchange. Input your wallet's public address and choose the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the transaction. The transfer may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 7. Keep your Bitcoin safe. Now that you own Bitcoin, it's important to ensure its security. Here's how. Use a hardware wallet. For long-term holding, move your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet for better protection. Enable security features. Always have two-factor authentication enabled on your exchange and wallet. Back up your wallet. Keep a copy of your wallet's recovery phrase or private keys in a secure, offline location. Tips for first-time Bitcoin buyers. Start small. If you're new to Bitcoin, Consider starting with a small amount to familiarize yourself with the process. Understand the fees, be aware of transaction and withdrawal fees charged by the exchange or wallet. Avoid high-interest borrowing. Never buy Bitcoin on margin, borrowed money, without fully understanding the risks, as the market is highly volatile. Research and stay informed. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate dramatically, so staying updated on market news is crucial. Conclusion: buying your first Bitcoin is a straightforward process once you have the right tools and knowledge. Choose a secure wallet, pick a trusted exchange, and follow the steps to make your first purchase. Always prioritize security and take your time to understand the process. Bitcoin, as an investment or currency, can be an exciting part of the evolving digital economy, but it's essential to be cautious and informed. Happy Bitcoin buying!